guys, this is Jamie Little Tallulah, and I am here to do the video for July of the Oh So Inspired collab that is hosted by Crafty Al. Every month on the 15th, we post our videos, and also we get an inspiration piece from her. So this month, it was basically a Cassie theme, circle theme. So you can see the description below where you have the video that's the inspiration, also the thumbnail, and all the list of the other ladies. So let's go with the C theme circle. Now, all of these videos, I am pretty much filming on the same day, and I did all my projects, so all my supplies are put away, but I can tell you what I use. So for this one, it was a C theme in circles. So I pulled out and used my tonic dies. So I did a tutorial using these tonic dies to make a circle easel card, and so I made a different one this time. So I actually used 3 different tonic dies. I used the 2 mermaid die sets, then another set of circles. I also used one of the sentiments that had the fish. So when you open it, and it says mermaid kisses and starfish wishes, popped up on foam tape, and you see the different layers. This is actually some tattered lace paper from their magazine, and the rest is just pieces from my stash. I used some Spectrum Noir glitter markers on there, and then you just pop it up, and there's the bottom. So I cut this shell piece out like 6 different times, layered it up, and it becomes the stopper, so you can see how that is. And then you see the beautiful designs in the inside. Oh, it's just little glue pieces. But, so that is my circle one. And of course, I will try to link the description for my tutorial up in the cards or something like that. So there's my easel card for this month. Thanks for watching, and go check out the other ladies. Bye-bye.